Hello and welcome to C-sharp chords. This chord is going to be the very first chord in the basic section where we're going to play black key, white key, black key as a major chord. So, first we find C sharp, and now we're going to play since we know the triad, how they work, we go full tone, half tone, full tone. So, that is the triad for C sharp. And as you see, it's a black key, white key, black key. This is the very first chord of this section where we play just that. The notes are going to be C sharp, F, and G sharp as the major C sharp chord. The minor is going to be where we take F, the third step, half a step down, which is going to be a F flat. Or it's going to be just a natural E. See, it sounds sad, it's a minor. Sounds happy, it's a major. So the notes are going to be C sharp, F, G sharp again. This is the first variation. Now I'm going to move up to F, which is F, G sharp, C sharp. Now we're going to move it up again to G sharp, which is going to be G sharp, C sharp, F, and again to C sharp, F, G sharp. Now we're going to go down from C sharp to G sharp to F and to C sharp. Excellent. Now we're going to play the same thing with the left hand. So we're going to go C sharp, F, G sharp. I'm going to move it up to F, G sharp, and C sharp. Excellent. Now we go down from C sharp to G sharp to F and to C sharp. Excellent. Once your left hand and your right hand are fairly confident playing separately, now we're going to combine the hands, play them together, both the C sharp major chord. So it's going to be C sharp, F, G sharp. Move it up to F, move it up to G sharp, and to C sharp. Now we're going to go down from C sharp to G sharp, F, and C sharp again. Once you know it fairly well playing one octave, now we're going to play it 4 octaves, left and right, up and down the piano, 25 times. Excellent. Once that is finished, now we're going to move on to the minor chord where we play C sharp, E, G sharp. This will be the first variation. Now we're going to move on to the second variation where it's going to be E, G sharp, C sharp. Move it up again to G sharp, C sharp, E. And lastly to C sharp, E, G sharp. Now we're going to move it down from C sharp, E, G sharp. We're going to move it down to G sharp, then to E, and C sharp. Excellent. It's very similar. It's just the middle finger is moved slightly to the left from F to E. So once the right hand, you should already know fairly well, you just got to hit the E and not the F. And now we're going to play the left hand, same thing, starting from C sharp. Moving up to E, G sharp, and C sharp again. Excellent. Now we're going to go down from C sharp, G sharp, E, and C sharp. Very good. I'm pretty sure your left hand and right hand know it pretty well. Now let's combine them, and both hands we're going to play the C sharp minor chord. Excellent. Once you can play it 1 octave together pretty well, now we're going to go 4 octaves 25 times. So there you go. That was the C sharp major and the C sharp minor chords. Now we know them fairly well. We already know how the positioning works, the fingerings, and which notes to play. Now, the next chord we're going to be playing is going to be the A flat or the G sharp.